And so record everything that happens on the computer, every step. And then that's job number one. Now, if it's in the field, like, okay, you guys got junk removal, right? Like, great business, by the way. How you park, where you put things, how you take things, video with the phone, like literally go out for a day, have somebody that's working, say, hey, drop me off here, film them going to parking and how they're moving. If they have put out cones, how to put out cones, do all that. So you're creating all this video library. Obviously, I promote having someone like a VA. I say virtual professional for a very specific reason, but a VP or a VA go in and use that and create a step-by-step SOP. Now, I have an SOP on how to create SOPs. I'm
actually wondering if you'd be willing to share that, if I could drop that in the group after.
Yeah, it's very specific to my brand, but it's the exact same process for everything. Okay. So I actually need to make one edit on it. I was supposed to do it earlier today. I just was reviewing it the other day, and I'm like, I have one edit because they're missing a link, a step on that. But I need to get that to you. So just hold me to it. We'll put it in the group.